How does one tackle the complex terrain of data engineering in the hospitality industry, especially when dealing with large volumes of information? Today's exploration will shed light on this intricate process, using the case study of a leading hotel chain in the USA. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Firstly, imagine a daily routine of downloading data from servers. For this task, a versatile tool named CyberDuck comes into play. This Libra server and cloud storage browser is instrumental in navigating the virtual expanse of data stored in formats like FTP, SFTP, WebDAV, and Amazon S3. The initial step involves downloading two key files from the server, the property master file and the forward file. Each of these files holds a treasure trove of information that, when unlocked, can reveal valuable insights. Next, the property master file undergoes a transformation. A new dataset emerges following specific conditions. Only properties with 5 or more bedrooms or the ability to accommodate 16 or more guests make the cut. Additionally, these properties need to be situated in one of 3 cities: Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, or Gatlinburg. The forward file then undergoes a stringent selection process. Only data with the status R is retained, while the rest is discarded. This selective process ensures that only the most relevant data remains. The final stage of this journey involves a merger. The forward file and the new dataset become one, combining on the basis of property ID. This merged file then includes additional columns for city, bedrooms, and max guests from the new dataset. A Python script automates this entire process, creating updated property and forward master files on a weekly basis. This script is a product of data pre-processing, cleaning, and manipulation skills, crafted using the Python programming language. In this journey of data engineering, the project navigates through the iterative waterfall model of the software development lifecycle. This model allows for feedback at every stage, ensuring that the software evolves and adapts to changing needs and inputs. However, every journey has its challenges. In this case, the sheer size of the data posed a substantial hurdle. Space complexity became a significant issue, as the data was too large to process in one go. Initial attempts to overcome this challenge with Power BI led to time complexity problems. The solution? Processing the data in smaller chunks, reducing file sizes to prevent memory errors. To encapsulate, this journey of data engineering involves downloading data from servers, manipulating it based on specific conditions, and merging the processed data into a cohesive file. All of this is accomplished with the help of tools like CyberDuck, Python, and the iterative waterfall model of the software development lifecycle. Despite challenges in dealing with large data sizes, innovative solutions like processing data in chunks ensure that the journey continues smoothly. This exploration into the world of data engineering in the hospitality industry was brought to you by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm. When it comes to navigating the complex terrain of data, their expertise and innovative solutions continue to illuminate the path. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.